guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, it's good to see you back on my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be filming a golden hour makeup look, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. So first things first, I just go in with my Carmex just to moisturize my lips because they were super dry. And as you can see now, I'm going with my Clinique 72-hour moisture surge, and I'm just patting that into my skin. I recently learned that patting products onto your skin is less harsher than rubbing it in. So yeah, so I'm just doing that, as you guys can see, and I'm just taking the product down to my neck as well. So first things first, you guys know I love to do my eyebrows, so I'm going with my spoolie and I'm just brushing my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna go in with my my Rimmel eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, and I'm just filling out my eyebrows, as you guys can see. So I'm now going with my Primark Precision Concealer brush. It's the 121 brush, and I'm just using that to conceal it underneath my eyebrows, and I'm going in with the LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I just like to use my fingers to kind of blend the products out, because I feel like it creates more of a natural look. And now you guys can see I'm going with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade F13, and I'm just using that to further highlight underneath my eyebrows to create a more sharp look. Okay, last but not least, when it comes to my eyebrows, I like to use mascaras just to kind of brush the hairs to create more of a natural hair stroke. So I'm going in with my Benefit Roller Lash mascara. This is a little bit dried up, but I like it like that because it means I don't make mistakes by putting too much product on my eyebrows. So as you guys can see, I'm just brushing that in, and it just looks so much more natural. Okay, so it's now time to prep my base before foundation. So I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I'm just concealing underneath my eyes where I have dark circles, around my mouth where my skin tone is a lot darker, as well as my cheekbones where I have a few hyperpigmentation, and other areas of my face. And I'm going in with this brush from Primark, from Amazon, the You Spicy brush, and I believe it's the brush 29. I'm also going in with my NYX foundation, the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mocha, and I'm just dabbing that onto areas of my face, and I'm just blending that out with my foundation brush. I just love the finish on this foundation. It's not too heavy, it feels super light, and it's easy to move, and I just love it. It's probably one of the best foundations. I've been using this more of late rather than my MAC, and I just really prefer it, and it's so much cheaper, and I just love the coverage, and it's so easy to take off, and yeah, I just love it. Okay, so now that my foundation's done, I recently started using this concealer. It's the Instant Anti-Age Eraser by Maybelline, and it's in the shade Caramel Christmas, and I'm just using that underneath my eyes, and I'm just going to blend that out, and then I'm going to follow up putting some products on my cheekbones, my forehead, as well as my chin, just to brighten that up. But yeah, I just love the way this concealer moves, and the way it just brightens up my face, my under eye, and yeah, it's just a great product. I decided to go with some more just to brighten it up because I liked the way it looked, so I wasn't too afraid to go wild. And as you can see, I'm now going in on my jawline, forehead as well. So I'm just going to blend that out with my Beauty Blender. I love how it looks like I've already contoured, but I've not contoured my cheekbones whatsoever. But this product, I guess maybe because it's a lighter shade, it just makes everything look so perfect and it's flawless. I just love it, and I look like I have cheekbones. I'm now going in with the Primark Instagirl Banana Powder. You guys know I love this powder. I've been using it for years, and it's still there. Isn't going anywhere anytime soon. And I'm just using that to kind of powder and just set under my eye. Rather than baking, I'm just setting under my eye with the powder. Okay, so I'm now going in with my powder. Oh, I'm now going in with my powder brush from Primark. I love this powder brush. It's so huge and I love it. And I'm using the True Match Super Blendable Powder by L'Oreal in the shade Golden Cappuccino. And I just love the way this kind of sets my skin tone. And now it's time for contouring. I'm going in with the Primark contour in the shade, I believe, Chestnut, and I'm mixing that in with the Makeup Revolution concealer as well in the shade C18. I just love mixing those two products together because I feel like it adds a really nice, or it creates a nice really contour shade for my cheekbones. And I'm just using a standard brush to blend that product upwards. That's a new technique I learned from watching the Scott Barnes and Tatia Westbrook makeup tutorial. You guys know I tried that out as well. So that's something I took away from that tutorial, blending up when it comes to blending your contour, and it just creates more of a defined line. I really like that. So I'm now going in with my sleek contour kit in the shade Dark, and I'm just setting my cream contour with the powder. I'm running out, so I definitely need to get a new palette really quickly. So I'm just taking my beauty blender and I'm using the leftover products just to kind of like clean up the lines and to make it more defined. And I'm using my powder as well to kind of set that. So yeah, I'm just going over my skin. So this is the look so far and I'm liking it. Everything looking flawless. So now it's time for highlighting, and I'm going in again with the U Spice fan brush, and I got this brush from Amazon and it's in the brush number 32, and I just love how big and fluffy it is. And I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution highlighting kit, and I'm just dabbing on the highlighter onto the high points of my cheekbone. And I like to build on highlight, whereas before I used to pack it all on, but now I like to build up and to see kind of like where it goes before I add more. So I'm liking the way this turned out, and it definitely looked good in the sun as well. So now it's time for mascara, and you guys know this mascara has been one of my all-time favorites, the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One mascara, and I thought I could find dupes. Ooh, let's see, I'm moving on actually. Wait, I'm going in with eyeliner first. I completely forgot. Yeah, I wanted to do eyeliner, so I'm using the Color Collection Fast Streak eyeliner, and this is the first time I'm doing eyeliner in years, and I can't believe how well it actually turned out. Yeah, I just don't bother with eyeliner, and I never used to care about it, but now I just like the way it looks. I wanted to create a winged look, so yeah, I'm going in with some eyeliner, and I really like the way this turned out. So as I was saying, yeah, the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One and mascara, I've been obsessed with this for a while, but I stopped buying it because it was a little bit expensive. Well, it is £10, and that's a lot for a mascara. I thought I could find dupes, but there was nothing that could nothing compared to this mascara. So I just closed my eyes and I purchased it again, and I absolutely love the results. The way it just brushes every single lash of mine, and I have super curly lashes, and it just works perfectly on my lashes. So yeah, I'm going again with Carmex just to moisturize my lips and to get rid of any foundation, well, to blend out the foundation that are on my lips. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just lining my lips ready for lip gloss. Now that I've lined my lips, I'm going in with my new favorite Fenty Beauty gloss bomb in the shade Hot Chocolate, and I just love glosses these days. Like, I'm obsessed. I don't know whether it's this hair that's just made me feel like I can be a baddie but I'm loving lip glosses, especially this Fenty one. It just looks so great, like a nice warm brown tone. And then I decided to go in with this L'Oreal lipstick in the shade I Explore, and I just dabbed that into the insides of my lips just to create like a pinky nudie tone. And this is a newfound favorite as well. I recently purchased this, a little bit expensive, actually a lot expensive for a lip gloss, £10, but it does look really great. And then I'm going again with the L'Oreal Les I can't even say it, but it's the Les Chocolates Ultra Matte Lipstick, and I just mixed those two together. I really like the combo on my lips. Finally, I decided to go in with some eyeshadow. I'm just using the highlighter from the Revolution palette just to add some shimmer to my eyelids. And again, I'm going in with the Revolution palette, and I'm just taking a brown tone and I'm adding that to the crease of my eyelids. So yeah, this is the final makeup look. I really like the way this turned out, but as you guys are going to see next, I decided to go in with some what do you call them, contact lenses. So I purchased some contact lenses. They were supposed to be green. I don't know what I was thinking. They look really scary and zombie-like, and I really didn't know what I was thinking putting these in my eyes. Thank God they were only the daily ones. I got them from like a hair shop. I should have known better, but yeah, I put them in my eyes. I thought they'd be green, but they just, yeah, they look very scary. I think this would be a great look for Halloween, you know? But yeah, I quickly decided to take them out. I even got my flatmate to come in to kind of have a look because I was so unsure as to whether I liked them or not. And yeah, I decided to keep them in to take some pictures in the park. As you guys saw in the intro video, I did go outside just to take a few videos and pictures, but then I took them out. But yeah, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this golden hour inspired makeup tutorial. I just love this look so much. My outfit, my face, everything was just popping, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave your thoughts and comments down below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.